Hi, this is drum filter RDF 35 meters for 1 hour. This for fish pond, for farm, aquaponic farm. Two versions. First 35 cuba with two pipe 4 durims. This for US customer. You can see this give pipe connection for this. In the box he separate and just connect here and this. And second version, this drum for Europe, England, pipe 110 milli. Two pipe go inside drum and two pipe outside. Same size. Yeah. Another everything same. This version the customer won't install UV light. We put to him. This version can install. You can see have place, but this customer not want UV. Yes. Okay, you can see two version here. Similar, same, just this have UV, this not have, and different size pipe for water in. Yeah. Okay, this all. Thank you.